First comes Mode. Press Menu again and set Sensitivity. You'll note that the factory setting is about 75%. Press the plus and minus touchpads and watch the segments. Of course, you'll always want to hunt as deeply as possible, but search conditions may sometimes limit just how sensitive you can set your detector. This control option permits you to achieve all of the detection depth possible under any condition. Press Menu again. The next option permits you to use the plus and minus touchpads to adjust the operating threshold. That's the audible sound produced by your detector when no metal is being detected. Note that your changes are indicated instantly on the lower scale. Your next option lets you select 4 different detection frequencies to eliminate any annoying interference. When you're in competition hunting or searching with others, you'll sometimes find detectors interfering with each other, or you may occasionally hear an erratic sound caused by outside electrical or atmospheric interference. When this happens, press the plus or minus touchpads to change to a new frequency. Your changes will be indicated on the lower scale. When you press Menu again, you can see on the lower scale the volume level at which your targets will sound. Plus and minus pads can be used to regulate it. Since this adjustment controls the volume of sound produced by the GTP only when a target is encountered, it will not affect the threshold level. Next option is Tone, which determines the pitch of the sound produced by your detector. Factory setting is now shown on the lower scale. Touching the plus pad will raise the tone into a higher treble range, while touching the minus pad will lower it into the bass range. Experiment to determine the pitch that best suits your hearing. Search aids are encountered next as you scroll through menu choices. You may want to use the Salt Elimination search aid when hunting on an ocean beach or over any ground with high salt content. Press the plus touchpad to turn it on. Press the minus pad to turn off the function, and the word will begin blinking again. Press Menu again to select the type of audio you hear when you detect a target. As preset at the factory, Tone ID helps you determine your target by the sound it makes. Remember that bell tone you heard when we detected that quarter? This exclusive Garrett sound of money tells you that you found a target of high conductivity shown on the 9 highest segments of the discrimination scale. Other accepted targets will cause a mid-range sound with a lower tone produced by targets in the iron range, the 4 lowest segments on the scale. If you wish to use Tone ID, no action is necessary at factory settings. To turn off this function, press minus and Tone ID will begin blinking, and you'll hear the same sound on every target. Pressing plus will turn it back on. The next search aid, Backlight, will light the display of your GTP when necessary so that you can use it to hunt at night or in dark places. Press the plus pad to turn it on. Press minus to turn off the function and cause the word to blink again. To maximize battery life, it is recommended that you make certain the backlight is turned off, as indicated by blinking words, whenever it isn't needed. You'll need this final selection only when you're using rechargeable batteries. When using this type of battery, press the plus touchpad to turn on the word rechargeable. Whether you're using rechargeable or regular batteries, you will see that the GTP reports continually on the condition of your batteries. 5 squares are shown when your batteries are fully charged. When only 1 square remains, batteries should be changed. Now here's a tip you should always remember. You can instantly restore factory settings on all controls by holding the power touchpad for about 5 seconds, or until you hear this sound. Let's now learn more